Guys, today we have a pet car seat. As you can see, it's black and it's really good for having dogs inside the car. It does come with cushions and also the buckles itself to attach to the bed and to actually attach to the car. So we're gonna see what it looks like inside the car with our dogs inside and see what it looks like in the end. So as you can see, it's actually bended to itself to actually fit inside the couch cushions. And it does have the buckles, as you can see here, to add it to the car seat, little things, and also these buckles are adjustable for any type of car that you want. As you can see, it does have buckle to the end and adding to the end right here. We do have pretty big dogs. This is for all dog shapes and sizes. So we're gonna try it with big dogs and see what it looks like inside the car. As you can see, it comes with the cushions as well to attach it to the actual seats itself. So your dogs can have a comfortable ride along with you in the car.
All right, let's take a look at the seat itself. This is a cushion seat. Now it has a couple zippers that you install the actual cushion in there. Corners, they're actually a base to tie them down. Tie this up on the top, on the headrest, and you could tuck this in if you want, optional. Now you have a zipper if you want to bring it down so they could get in and out. In fact, I'm going to bring it here so they won't rip it. Make sure you have this in place. Plenty of room for large dogs, and we do have a large breed of dog. We're going to get them up here and see how it works. All right, so if you guys can see, I have two large dogs. They're taking all the space in the back, but Toby likes to go very comfortable, and this is how he is in the back seat. Pretty much, I have a little small car here, but this is perfect for larger cars too. And as you can see, he's very comfortable. He's matted. It's perfect for him. And another dog too. Plenty of space. Hope you guys enjoy the video.